What's up, family? It's your boy Piclo. Welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, then go ahead, press the subscribe button in order to join part of the family, as well as press the bell icon in order to get notified whenever I upload a video, and leave a like if you enjoyed this reaction. So from some time, probably 2 years ago, I've been hearing about Grime, and to be honest with you, I've never really listened to it. So you won't find any tracks by any Grime artist on my personal playlist. So I just decided, you know what, this would be the perfect time for me to listen to any track by a Grime artist, and I believe Stormzy is one of them. So there's his track that came up recently. It's called Sounds of the SKENG. I'm not sure what SKENG is. Perhaps you can let me know in the comment section, or maybe I might see what SKENG is throughout this video. And just by going through the artwork, it seems like this was inspired by Sound of Music. As you can just see, that it has the same font, it is stylistic. It has a similar stylistic style as the Sound of Music, as well as there are music notes there. So I believe that the artwork is inspired by that. But let's just go ahead and check this out. So yes, our first reaction to Grime. Let's go ahead and get to it. And hopefully it's fire. But I'll let you know during the video or at the end of the video what do I think. Just by looking at here, it seems like Stormzy, because I've seen Stormzy before. So it seems like Stormzy is just having a great vacation. He's just enjoying, I don't know, he's just enjoying the summertime. I'm assuming it would be summer in the UK. Perhaps I'm wrong. I do know in South Africa it is spring at the moment. So let's just go ahead and carry on. Wow. Okay.
5 whole years on the circuit, every single year I murk it. Every single year. I switch flows, they jerk it. I flip mode and reverse it.
Wait. Well, I was not expecting this. Let's just go back and rewind. Okay, firstly, he's on top of a building. Never expected this as well, but he's just living the life. Okay, so just by going through what he's saying there, he says 4 years. I've been going through the circuit. I'm assuming 4 years he's just been delivering, or he's been in the music industry or music scene. And he said that I will murk it, or I always murk it, obviously kill it or murder it. And in this sense, not figuratively, he's speaking that he's just killing the game, or he's just killing the grime scene. So that's what essentially he's saying there.
I switch flows, they jerk it. I flip mode and reverse it.
And then he said that I switch flows, they jerk it. I'm assuming jerk. I could be wrong. Just correct me or let me know in the comment section down below as the lingo the lingo difference. But I'm assuming that because he said I switch flows and they jerk it, I'm assuming that they're stealing his flows, and then he switches it again because he sees that there are copycats that are trying to imitate his sound.
I'ma make it look perfect. Carrie probably deserves it. See, old school man just splurges. Please don't let him resurface. They go the fastest, I go the furthest. And then they been the hardest. And I bun all my birds like kick off your.
This is a hard video. Hard track. I just love the transitions to different scenes, especially what he's talking about. These scenes, or the scenes that are being transitioned to, they seem to fit in with whatever he's saying, because he also said he'll hit it hard there. I'm assuming that he'll just put a punch in whatever artist, just in a more lyrical format. Whatever artist who tries to copy him, he'll just outbest them every time. And in that scene, he had gloves on, just comparing himself, or just saying that he is a boxer, or he has similar triads as a boxer, in which he'll just outbox you. So that's what he is saying there as well.
Face I'm worse, man might leave with the babes I'm burst. Man just blood up the place and mirth. Then man lift up the waist man skirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know my two hands work. I know that I know I do man dirt.
And there it was, in that other scene, it was him talking to a record label, holding a bat. So I'm guessing he's just enforcing his sound onto them. He's not gonna allow a record label dictate the kind of sound that he's gonna run with. And then in another one, he was holding, or it was, I believe, let me just go back. I'm not sure if that's a Bible that he's holding or what book he's holding, but in a sense, he's grabbing a Grammy as well. So that is interesting. And he has like 6 hands there. So I'm guessing he's just saying that he grabs everything. That's what I'm interpreting just from that he's just multi-talented. That he just does it all. Like that as well. Man, the editors. And also there he talked about name any person or any rapper out there that is a consistent as him as well. So this is just him letting you know, or he's talking here as well.
We talking racks, we talking plaques, all stats. I rude, but you do the math. I look in the south, but I live in the sticks now. Really been about.
Yet again, just going through these scenes, whatever he's talking about, these scenes are just correlating with what he's talking about. He talked about facts, obviously, and he was in the classroom. On the board were a couple of formulas or equations. He's saying that I'm talking facts, obviously, in terms of equations. Whatever you get as the answer there is a fact. He's talking about stats, yet again, mathematical-wise stats that you do with just facts in there. So he's just saying that as well. He's comparing the factual part of maths to what he's done in his career, which might be unnoticed, but he's just letting you know that whatever he's done has been facts. He's just been breaking records. He's just been consistent. That's just factual. There's nothing else to interpret in regards to that.
I'm worse, man might leave with the babes I'm burst. Man just blood up the place and mirth. Then man lift up the waist man skirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know my two hands work. I know that I know I do man dirt. So allow me again, this that. Sounds of the street, I move foul, my friends foul with a pen. Dogs start howling again, my dogs are different. Nigga run Mr. Skangs, but
yet again, that just confirms that whatever he's saying, he makes sure that it is interpreted in his scenes, which is a great thing, because these days, or in most cases, whatever the rapper is speaking about, the video has absolutely nothing to do with whatever he's saying. So that's what I appreciate. I appreciate the editing as well. Whoever edited this video, just a phenomenal job. So this is great as well, as he's with his crew here. Sounds of the SKENG, man. Yeah, he's just talking his talk, and now he's just talking to the trolls now, to the people who are hating him, to the people who are saying that he's overrated, is showing that he's just letting you know that, you know what, it doesn't bother me. Whatever you're thinking, you're just being a troll. That's it. There's nothing else you're adding. And there it was a guy trying to jump to get the cigarette. I'm sure that is him saying that you're reaching in terms of saying that he's overrated and all that. Could be misinterpreting that. Just let me know in the comment section down below.
joint. Little niggas can't hit this joint, and I knew it was a banger when I ripped this joint. Man talk dirt on my name, but the truth is they're not realistic points. Big it in person, whipping excursion, my niggas rip this joint. Don't talk like President flips this joint. Real niggas gonna dig this joint, but man might kick off your face and worse. Man might leave with the babes and burst. Man just blood up the place and murk. Then man lift up the waist and skirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know my two hands work. I know that I know I do man dirt. So allow me again, this that. Sounds with the same. I move foul, my friends foul with a pen. Dogs start howling again. My dogs are different. Nigga run Mr. Skeng, spot the difference. Big Mike don't need no assistance. So please give a nigga some
Big man don't need no
distance.
assistance. I like that sound, man. It's not something that I've really heard of in terms of hip-hop. There's even that trumpet sound in there. It's just great. Like, yeah, man. So my thoughts, great track, man. If this is what I've been missing out on. Let me know more. Just write in the comment section what else can I listen to, or what other grime tracks can I listen to. But this was a great track. He was just doing his thing. He was just talking to you. He was talking to the trolls. He was being as well confident in himself, just telling you that he knew that this joint was gonna make it before he even started it. So that's just him saying that, you know what, I just need to voice out whatever is in my head, and that's what exactly he did here. As a playlist worthy, in my opinion. Yes, would I listen to it? Yes. Do I think it is fire? Absolutely. So I would definitely download this. So just yet again, let me know whether the tracks I can react to in the comment section down below. Leave a like in this video if you enjoyed this reaction. Press the subscribe button in order to join part of the family, as well as, you know what, press the bell icon, get notified, just so that you know whenever I upload a video. Well, I'm out.